Listen carefully as I read the informational text, Why Do We Need Rules and Laws? This text will give examples of rules and laws that we must follow and why it's so important that we follow them. What are rules? Do your homework before going outside to play. Treat others as you would like to be treated. These may be rules you have heard before. Rules are instructions that tell us the correct way to behave. They help us know what is expected of us. We follow rules at home, at school, and in our community. Brushing your teeth is a very good rule. Where do you follow this rule? A community is a place where people live, work, and play. People who belong to a community are called citizens. It is important for citizens to follow all the rules at home, at school, and in the community. Following the rules keeps us healthy and safe. Following the rules even makes things more fun. When everyone knows the rules to a game, it is much more fun to play. Why are rules important? Rules are part of our everyday lives. There are rules wherever we go. Rules keep us safe. Rules also help us get along and help us solve problems. Ava sees a group of kids teasing Sophie. Ava wants to help, but she's not sure how. Then she remembers the rule of standing up for others. Ava tells the kids that bullying is not allowed. Everyone has a responsibility to follow the rules. A responsibility is something a person should take care of or do. Following the rules keeps everyone happy and safe. Rules for the classroom. Your teacher makes rules for your classroom. What if no one followed the rules? What if no one listened to the teacher? Imagine if no one raised their hand before speaking. Everyone would be talking at once. No one would know what to do next. It would be very confusing. Your classroom would not be a fun or safe place. This is why rules in the classroom are important. Rules help everyone know how to behave. Rules make your classroom a safe place where everyone can share and learn. Without rules, it would be hard to do these things. Classroom rules allow everyone to learn and have fun. Rules at school. Your principal makes rules for your whole school. No running in the halls and no climbing fences in the schoolyard are examples of important school rules that help to keep everyone safe. School rules are made for all students, no matter how old they are or what grade they are in. When everyone follows the school rules, they help make their school a great place for everyone. Most schools have rules against bullying. A bully is someone who harms you and makes you feel bad. School rules keep everyone safe. Rules in the community. Citizens follow rules to make sure their communities are great places for everyone. One of the most important rules in a community is to show respect. This means you follow rules to show you care about others. Showing respect means you are always aware of how your actions affect others. Some examples of important rules in a community are being polite to your neighbors, not littering, and walking your pet on a leash. When you show respect and follow these rules, you help everyone in your community be safe and happy. These citizens are showing respect and helping others in their community. Follow the law. Communities have rules called laws that everyone must follow. A law is a rule made by government. A government is a group of people who run a country, province, state, or community. Some laws are made to keep people safe, such as wearing seatbelts. Other laws are made to keep communities clean, such as where you are allowed to put your garbage. All laws are made to help a community be a great place for everyone. Police officers are part of government. They work hard to keep everyone in a community safe. Police officers make sure people follow laws. People who break laws face consequences. A consequence is what happens because of something you have done. This man was driving too fast. The consequence is that he is receiving a ticket and will have to pay a fine. All together now. Rules and laws do not work unless everybody stands up for them. Standing up for rules and laws means to follow them. You can also help others follow them. It is important to speak up or take action when someone breaks a rule or law. Speak to a parent or teacher. Remember that if a person breaks a rule or law, you must still show them respect. It's good to have rules. If you see someone throw garbage on the ground, what can you do? You can say, "Let's find a trash can. That's the rule." You can explain how rules make things better for everyone. You can talk about how your actions affect others. Now you know about the importance of rules in your life. Without rules, life would not be easy. It could even be dangerous. What are some rules that you follow to be safe? What are some rules that you follow to have more fun? It's not enough to follow the rules. It's important to stand up for the rules.